about the preventing and maintenance for about radiation bonding. Training is good.
I learned how to analyze problem and injection molding, so I can get some problem solving. For me, it's a very good service whereby they accommodate to all our requests and then they provide us good hospitality. So I will definitely come back again to OTC for another set of training session. Thank you.
Uh, the OTC service is good because we have a unlimited free flow of coffee.